Hello, in today's video I'll be showing you how to daily clean your kitchen sink and drain using Cif and soda crystals. Now Cif is also known as Jift or Vim in various countries. It's also a great multi-purpose cleaner. I'm a big Spontex sponge user, not only great for washing up but also great to use in the bathroom too. Now when cleaning your sink, just apply a small amount of Cif as a little goes a long way. And start working your way around the sink like I'm doing. Now the special thing about this particular colour of mosaic sponge from Spontex is that they are non-scratch sponges, so they are great for non-stick pans and protecting your stainless steel appliances too. Now once I've done all 4 areas of the sink, I'm going to give it a good rinse. Now see how quickly Cif is at rinsing off. Now next we're going to clean our sink drain, and to do this I recommend using soda crystals over baking soda and vinegar, as it's just one product needed, saving you time and money. Plus I'd rather not have the smell of vinegar lingering in my kitchen. Now the first step is to pour down the drain some boiling hot water. I'm pouring down half a litre. Then pour 1 cup of soda crystals down the drain also. And again pour down some more boiling hot water, and again I'm doing half a litre. Once done, using a microfiber cloth, give the whole of the inside of your sink a good wipe down. And ta-da! A clean, shiny looking kitchen sink with a hint of lemon freshness. Now for more videos on basic homekeeping tips, check out the next video coming up.